Let's create a wall decor using cardboard. First, I cut into size 2 pieces of cardboard and glue them together. Next, I got this mirror from Joanne and I'll go ahead and trace the size on the cardboard. I set those to a side, and next I'll go ahead and take some folders. Those I got from my local store, and I'll cut them to size, basically using those templates that I already pre-cut. However, before I cut my pieces up, I'll go ahead and use some gold contact paper and put on one side of the folder paper, and later on trace the other side to the appropriate shape. Here's the process I took to create my pieces, and I was able to create a total of 32. That is 16 large teardrop with 16 smaller teardrops using the templates from before. Once they were traced on the board, I was able to cut them to size, and those will be what I'll use for my project. Once I had all my pieces cut into size, I started by taking the larger teardrop and glue them around the large board from before. This is how I decided to place them, and I'll put down a total of 16. Before moving forward, I decided to glue the mirror right in the middle of the piece. Once I had the mirror where I needed it to be, I then moved to the smaller teardrops, and I went on and placed them in between each of the larger teardrops. I was able to use that step to put and cover all the cardboard that I could previously see and make sure that all the 16 pieces were used. To decorate, I'll be using the self-adhesive rhinestone sheet and cut it to size and create a border that will be put on the outside of the mirror. To actually decorate their piece a lot more, I used some large buttons that I got from my local craft store. Once the buttons were placed as desired, I then took some smaller gems that I got from my local dollar store and I'll go ahead and place them at the end of the smaller teardrops. This project was fairly easy and did not take a lot of steps to get it done, and I really love how the final piece turned out. I made sure that everything was well placed the way I intended to, and at last I had myself a very beautiful piece, and this is how it turned out. This could originally be used as a centerpiece to your table or as a wall decor. For myself, I simply have it here on my table for now, but I plan to use some comment strips to add it to my wall later. I hope you guys did like this easy and simple project and found it to be gorgeous just like I did. If so, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and do so. Don't forget to turn your notification bell, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.